Hello friends, these are the colorful alphabets. Let's start with the letter A. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, let's write the letter A. Let's color. A is for apple. Letter B. Let's color. B is for ball. Letter C. Let's color. C is for cat. Letter D. Let's color. D is for doll. Letter E. Color it. E is for elephant. Now write the letter F. Let's color. F is for frog. Let's write the letter G. Let's color. G is for giraffe. Letter H. Let's color. H is for hat. Letter I. Color it. I is for igloo.
Yay!
Letter J. Let's color. J is for juice. Letter K. Let's color. K is for king. Letter L. Color it. L is for lamp.
Wow!
Letter M. Let's color. is for mango. N. Let's color. N is for nut. Letter O. Color it. O is for onion. Let's write P. Let's color. P for pen. Letter Q. Color it. Q for quail. Letter R. Let's color. R for rose. Let's write letter S. Let's color. S is for sunflower. Letter T. Let's color. T is for train. Letter U. U for umbrella. Let's write letter V. Color it. V for violin. Let's write W. Let's color. W for whale. Letter X. X is for xylophone. Letter Y. Color it. Y is for yarn. Letter Z. Let's color. Z is for zoo. Bye bye kids. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel.